In this video, you will see how to put line in middle of word like this. It's called strike through. First, you need to select the text using a mouse or a keyboard. After selecting the text under the home tab, here you will see the option of AB with the line in the middle. You just have to click on this option to get the strike through. There is one more option. You can right click, go to the fonts option and select the option strike through. You will see the preview here and then click on OK. To remove this strike through line, you just have to select the strike through text and then click on ABC button, and this will remove the strike through as well. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.